Welcome to Once Upon a Time. Today's book is Jonah and the Big Fish by Make Believe Ideas, illustrated by Jane Schofield. Join Jonah on an important journey as he is thrown off a boat and swallowed by a big fish. This exciting book has a prayer to share and fun touches to explore. Are you ready to start exploring? Let's go. Jonah and the Big Fish by Make Believe Ideas. My name is Jonah. God told me his plan. I should have listened, but I turned and ran. Here's Jonah's beard, all curly and soft. And it looks like he can go to Nevaeh or escape to the sea. And it looks like he is escaping to the sea. I fled on a boat, so while I was snoring, God sent a huge storm. The rain started pouring. Here's Jonah, asleep in his little hammock. The hammock feels tough, but strong and sturdy. I love these touches that are in this book. Make Believe Ideas is so creative. They know just what little toddlers and kids want to feel and touch and explore with these touch and feel and look and find books. I was thrown off the boat, but I didn't drown because God cleared the storm and a fish gulped me down. Here's the big fish. Not the whale's sparkly. For 3 days and nights, I prayed in the fish. I promised to follow the Lord's every wish. The fish's mouth feels so velvety and smooth. Another touch and find little tidbit that we get to enjoy. God heard my prayers and he set me free. I listened and did all that he asked of me. And here's our prayer. Thank you, dear God, for your love and devotion. You forgave Jonah and saved him from the ocean. Amen. I loved learning the story about Jonah and the big fish. I love sharing the Bible stories with you. I'm so glad that Make Believe Ideas loves Jesus as much as we do. So glad that you were here with me today to learn about God and Jesus and Jonah and the big fish. See you next time.